encourager and to
Good morning.
to give an example of being content. You know, God.
Good morning, guys. Today I am cleaning up my old work area. I want to get back to my little swingers. This is my boy. This is my girl. You see, they're really dusty because my mom was sick for the last 2 years, and I kind of put everything on hold, and I'm trying to get back to my creativity. And, you know, as you can see, I made so many, you know, all of these, you know, and I'm cleaning them up so that I could, you know, get rid of them, sell them, and put them in my yard. Look at all this. My little swingers. That's what they are. My little swingers. So I'm trying to get back to me. So thanks for being with me this morning. I gotta get my paint together and, you know, my brushes. So that's what I'll be doing today. So I hope that you can enjoy sitting with me while I listen to the word and feel my spirit, and, you know, just I'm in a better place. So I just want to get back to me. That's what I've been doing. And, you know, I've been grieving for the last 2 years. I've had a lot going on. And, you know, since my mom's death, June 3rd, you know, it's been hard, but, you know, I got to go on. So, thanks for being here.
It won't take very long, and you'll know if it's just something that you can do or if it's the thing.
Ooh, hello. The little things.
Chances are you'll never hear him tell you anything big.
Hello.
Amen?
Amen.
You probably have heard some of these stories, so I won't labor with them too long, but when God started calling me into ministry back in the 70s, I already had 3 children, and certainly was not in a place where I could go to Bible college. But even though you can't go somewhere to go to school to be trained for ministry, you can always go to the school of the Holy Ghost.
Hello. All right. There, Joyce.
You can always ask God to begin to train.
Hey, Patrick. Hi, good morning, son. Good. How are you? You tired, baby? I miss you. I ain't see you this morning or last night. Where are you at, school? You at work? Okay. I wonder why Bo upstairs barking. You know, the meeting is tonight at 7, the community meeting, so we got to make sure we're there. Aren't they ugly, those rocks they put out there, those boulders? Yeah, and if the kids hurt themselves, it's gonna be a big problem. What time do you think you'll be home? Because I'm in the middle of doing something and I'm on YouTube. Good. The Boy Scouts meeting is tonight from 7 to 9 too for the kids. You think you can take them to that? Oh, okay. Yeah, you got to do that. Okay, well, I'm going to call you right back. I'm Bo barking and I'm in the middle of doing something. I'll call you back, honey. Love you more. Bye.
Be doing. And so I began.
Should I throw it away?
You got to feel like you got to hide something.
I just don't know. I just save everything. I'm throwing it away though.
Then that means that you are.
Well,
to be honest, I've been a Christian
2 legs.
for a long
Yeah,
time.
throw it away. Get rid of it. Get rid of it.
Nobody was
Get rid of
teaching
it.
me that kind of stuff. And I had somebody recently, actually a well-known minister, he was at a conference where I was teaching some things on excellence, and he said, I have never in my life heard that kind of stuff. Now, how can we be grown adults and not know what excellence and integrity is?
All right.
Yet, many people in the world don't, and that's why the world is in the mess that it's in. And one other thing I'll say is I remember God teaching me when I'd be out in the department store shopping.
I was trying to save this too. Glass broke. My aunt gave me this, Auntie Faye. I think I'll save it. Try to get a better frame or something. So here's my paint. It might be a little too old. It's been a couple years, but we're gonna see.
Just really
need to get more sandpaper today, so I need to check my colors.
You can start getting really, really honest with yourself and really checking your motives for why you do things. You can start maturing pretty fast.
Out of pain, out of anger.
A lot of times in my
She's
life,
right.
when God will just simply say, "You don't need to say that." Now, I'd like to stand here and tell you that I'm always obedient, and anytime He tells me not to say it, I don't. But I'm not that good yet. Thank God I'm not where I used to be, but I'm not where I need to be either.
Hello.
However, I am happy that I'm still making progress.
Right, progress.
This program is made possible by the